Are you looking for a new career path within nursing, or are you looking to expand your legal nursing practice? I am Barbara Levin, and together with my colleague and friend, Patricia Iyer, we invite you to the 4th Legal Nurse Consulting Success Virtual Conference, September 23, 24, 25, 2021. You will network with legal nurses, attorneys, and many other specialists and learn new ideas to implement within your practice. We have an exciting lineup of topics and speakers. Mining for Data is being presented by Diane Tomacelli, who is a seasoned nurse and owner of Tomacelli's Legal Nurse Consulting practice. She has lots of experience working with electronic medical records after working in critical care, emergency nursing, and nursing management. She is known in the industry for her ability to complete complex transformation programs with attention to all clinical, financial, logistical components in a successful manner. Can you share with us a little bit about your tricks of the trade for the electronic records and what you're going to be sharing with our group?
Absolutely. Thank you, Barbara. And I do have to reiterate with you, the conference is wonderful. I've attended the last 2 conferences and have gained a great deal of information. So this conference is definitely a great opportunity, even if you are an experienced LNC, to boost your career as well as pick up some additional tricks of the trade. So specifically, I will be talking about how to review electronic medical records in a printed version. There are so many different tricks of the trade that you can look at that might identify an additional software system that you want to look at when reviewing these medical records. In addition, there's a very specific lingo that you need to learn when asking for specific things from a hospital, or you want your attorney-client to go and ask for something specific. So during the conference, we will be going over the different types of electronic data, because it's not just what you're getting from the EMR. Believe it or not, there are multiple forms of electronic data that you really need to look at when you're thoroughly reviewing a chart. And that could be email or a phone as well. Some of the other things is there's different types of interfaces that you may not know about. An interface is a connection to the main software system at the hospital. And those interfaces, those other software systems, may contain data that will help your case. So looking forward to sharing that information with you.
I am looking so forward to hearing more about your presentation and learning about the specific language that legal nurses need to then share with their clients. And I'm sure that you'll be presenting some case studies.
Absolutely.
Well, please join us on this virtual journey with exciting education and opportunities to meet the experts on September 23, 24, 25, 2021. Please see the link below, lnc.tips/September 2021 virtual. We look forward to seeing you.